मुझे I think everyone please come back on stage. किसी को समझ में नहीं आ रहा ना what happened. No one knows. Did you expect this kind of a reception, even from your talent? Because once they watched it, they were overwhelmed. What do you have to say?
I thought Johan was gonna fling me into the crowd. No, I'm so glad that the first time we're watching the trailer, we're watching it with the people for whom we made the film for. So the film is made for the students. It's a college film, and I'm so happy that we are able to showcase it for the right crowd. So thank you so much for having us here.
Amazing, amazing. I think, firstly, BGM, I think everyone was just going, मतलब everyone is going to walk out now hearing the BGM and be like, okay, yeah, अभी हम भी जाएंगे दंगे करने. Fantastic. I want to ask everyone out here, you know, when you got this film, you know, you actually got the chance to play the college life back again. How was your first reaction? Nikita, we'll start with you.
Firstly, very overwhelmed right now. It's going to be difficult for me to talk because I have also seen the trailer for the first time. And thank you to everybody for being here for this special moment when we've seen the trailer, and all of us are just speechless in awe of Bijoy sir with what he's managed to pull off. And coming to what you just asked me, yes, we actually relived our college life with this. I think personally, from my experience, whatever I could not do back in college, I literally got to do during this film. Lots of things which probably, you know, you might not do because you're living a kind of a disciplined life or anything of that sort. But here, we've had a blast shooting for it. The kind of co-actors I've had, we've literally behaved like college students even off the camera, and I think it's been an absolutely fun ride. So that is evident in the trailer, as you've all seen. So it's been a great journey, and really keeping fingers crossed that everybody enjoys it the way we have enjoyed shooting for it.
Fantastic. Ihan, firstly, the clash is looking like a proper clash. You all are looking too good. कैसे लग रहे हैं दोनों? Handsome enough, yeah? Ihan, what was it like? You know, मेरे को पहले जानना है आप दोनों से. In your college life, were you a part of such gangs? You know, दंगे वंगे किए आपने पहले कभी? Yeah.
I mean, I'm from Kashmir, so you can see. But yeah, I'm a big fan of Sir's work. And I woke up in the morning and I got a text from Bijoy sir. Hi, this is Bijoy Nambiya. Would like to discuss a film with you. I was so nervous like I am right now, and he said, I'm making a film. तो क्या बोले मेरे को समझ नहीं आया. I was in the awe like, oh, he's saying something, okay, college and all that. But when I read the script, it was, as you saw, the guy is very rugged and you get to show your anger, emotions, and it was completely different from the film that I've done before. And this sounded like a great opportunity for me. Our biggest production house was backing it up, T-Series. And I was fascinated by Sir's knowledge of cinema, even while shooting. Like, I don't think he misses any of the films. Every Friday, the first show, guy kind of. But yeah, it was an honor to share screen with Harshvardhan. He's such a nice guy. Like, I wish he was not this nice. I think I would have beaten him more in the film. But he's such a nice guy. I was like, yaar, isko kaise marunga main? So, thanks for being you, Harsh. A lot to get inspired to. He's an amazing person. As you know, his Instagram is always thriving with his travels and all the good work that he does. And then Nikita, of course, one of the coolest co-actors I've worked with. Very funny. She has an amazing laugh. I don't know if there hoga abhi stage
No,
pe.
luckily, publicly I don't do that, yeah.
And then working with the South actors, Kalidas Bhai, Sanchara. It was an honor. I think we bonded for life on this film. So thanks to Sir for giving me friends for life.
So Kali plays Ihan's counterpart in the Tamil version, and Sanchana plays Nikita's counterpart in the Tamil version. We don't have Arjun Das and TJ Banu, who are also part of the Tamil Hindi cast, but yeah, just wanted to say that.
I think Harsh, now it's time for you because you know you're loved by all college students. We've seen you. I don't need to say anything more. I want to know when you. हाँ पूछ लेने दो वो करेंगे बात. So you know when you first heard the script, you know that you need to be this college guy, you know who shows so many emotions in one. What was your reaction and this reception that you're getting now and the couple of days that you know you've been visiting colleges? How has the journey been for you on Dange?
यार आप लोग इंस्टाग्राम पे जब रील बनाते हो तो कितना टाइम लगता है एक रील बनाने में आपको? काफ़ी टाइम लगता है. लड़कियां मेकअप करती हैं, लाइटिंग सही होनी चाहिए, फिर उसकी एडिटिंग भी होती है. माँ कसम खा रहा हूँ, फिल्म बनाने में उससे 1 करोड़ गुना ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगता है. एंड बिजॉय सर के लिए इस फिल्म के ट्रेलर के लिए गाइस प्लीज़ थिएटर जाके देखना. ये प्लीज़ OTT का वेट. बहुत मुश्किल है और ये डिबेट में मैं पढ़ना नहीं चाहता हूँ, बट हम सभी लोग अपनी अपनी लड़ाई खुद लड़ रहे हैं. बहुत मुश्किल से अच्छी फिल्म में पार्ट मिलता है. अगर आप लोग OTT का वेट करोगे ना, जो आएगी उस पर भी एंजॉय कर लेना सेकंड थर्ड टाइम, बट वो बिजॉय सर जैसे मेकर को, प्रोड्यूसर्स को वो फ़ायदा नहीं मिलेगा. और उसके बाद मेरे कमेंट्स में आके ये मत बोलना पार्ट 2 क्यों नहीं कर रहे, क्योंकि पार्ट 2 इसलिए नहीं कर पा रहा क्योंकि पार्ट 1 की आपने टिकट नहीं खरीदी थी. तो प्लीज़ गाइज प्लीज़, आई नो आई कुड नॉट be this direct, but I want to because this man has really put in his hard work and much more. So please.
So guys, 1st of March, अपनी college gang के साथ जाओ for Dange in cinemas. Now I'll come to our lovely people from the south who are here. I just want to ask you, is this the first time you've come to Mumbai in a Mumbai college, Sanchana?
First of all, wow, the reception, guys, wow. So personally, back home, we go to theaters for first day, first shows, and this is exactly what we see for a film, the first day, first show. And this is a trailer. And you guys are brilliant, yeah? And thank you so much for welcoming us like this with so much love. And yeah, to answer his question, no, this is not the first time. We've been shooting in Bombay for a while for the film. So we come and go. But it feels really personal today because it feels like we're here for... like, you know, our film. It's like, it doesn't feel like Poor and Dange. It feels like it's our film, and that's exactly what the team is here for. So please go to theaters and watch the film on March 1st. Thank you.
And Kalidas, you know, how does it feel, you know, you're being here, the reception that you're getting, you know, even Poor, it's made by the man himself. What was your reaction?
First of all, good evening to everyone here. So happy to be here. More than anything, I think I'm happy for the Hindi cast. The trailer looks fabulous, but I'm still waiting for the Tamil version.
I think it's going to be equally kick-ass is all I can say because it's Bijoy and Ambyar and you guys must have done a fantastic job, so it's going to work.
And I need to say this thing that I've done a few of bilingual movies before. So there's always been a lot of ego clashes and like who's bigger and who's doing better. But none of that was there in this movie, and we were all like such good friends. Like we had such a genuine vibe with each other. So
Yeah, like pretty much it's 2 films and 4 heroes. It's not like 2 films and 2 heroes. It's 2 films, 4 heroes and 2 heroines, 2 plus 2. It was like so many artists, but we were all like classmates sitting together. Every chance we get, we'll go to the vanity and we'll be sitting and talking, and Bijoy has to scream, all of you come back, the shot is ready. But yeah, it was
Amazing.
great.
So
but,
I think
I have just one request. If we can watch the Tamil teaser. Yeah.
I want to just add one small thing. So as a director and a maker, he could have taken a shortcut. मैं इसका पोर की जो बात चल रही है, इसी फिल्म का तमिल वर्जन है. वो शॉर्टकट क्या ले सकते थे? यही फिल्म को डब कर सकते थे, या वो तमिल कास्ट को हिंदी में डब कर सकते थे. उन्होंने वो शॉर्टकट नहीं लिया. उन्होंने पहले हम हिंदी एक्टर्स से करवाया, फिर हमको बोला ओके वेरी गुड डन, और
फिर इनको बुलाया, या उल्टा भी होता था, पहले इनसे करवाया फिर हमसे करवाते थे. He took the difficult route. Guys, please देख लो theater में first.
So I think my next question was to Bijoy sir. You know, this is actually unreal because एक director एक picture बनाने में, you know, he takes so much efforts. You've done it in Hindi and Tamil simultaneously. That is the main thing. You've done it with different casts. That's exactly. How did you do it? And you know, my main question is, as Harsh rightly said, you know, you could have taken the easy route. I want to know, why did you do this and how did you pull this off? I know you did it for them, but what was the main challenges you faced and how did you pull this off, sir?
The main reason to do it was that I wanted to be as authentic as possible for the market that we are creating it for. So the Hindi one was created for the Hindi market, the Tamil one needed to be authentic for the Tamil market. And the subject was a universal one. It was a college film, and I think college students from all over the country would relate to it. So that was my aim, that to try and make an authentic film for that particular market segment. Yes, it was extremely challenging. It was very, like you asked earlier, aapko kaisa laga? Did you feel like you're going back to college? I thought when I was making this film, I'll enjoy that I'll feel like I'm going back to college. But they were having that fun. I was the principal. So I had to be the disciplinarian telling them like, nahi, idhar aao, chalo. So I had to be that. I had to be the bad guy always. But they had a blast. And I in fact had some fears in the beginning that what Kali spoke about, whether, you know, all of them together, whether there'll be any ego clashes, whether they. But within the first week only, they all got along so well. So they became one team, and I was the outsider then.
Amazing. Yeah, I think give it up for Bijoy Nomiar once again. I think what he's done is incredible and it shows in the trailer and it will show on 1st of March.